The culture shock is shocking but also amazing.
Don't rush to make friends. Everyone's new, everyone's a little scared, everyone's away from home for the first time.
First of all, if you're in London, you'll be culturally shocked all through your stay in London, because there are so many people from many different cultures, from all continents, especially at the London School of Economics.
In the first couple of weeks, meet everyone, make the extra effort.
The best way to meet people on your course is going to be in the classroom. Where else?
Because then you know you're going to be meeting each other every week, even if you're in a class of 200, in your seminar you're maybe 20 people.
Get into study groups with them, spend time with them in the library, and it's the best place to have a study buddy to build up that relationship.
For all lectures, you get what they call reading lists, where there are several books or texts or articles that you're supposed to read. Make sure you read those within that week, because here, if you postpone something, it's a domino effect. You've postponed it 5 months ahead. It's very hard to catch up.
I would definitely advise getting an Oyster card for students. I would also say if you're planning to do little day trips around the UK, get a rail card, which you can link with your Oyster card, which is not a thing a lot of people don't know, and your journeys will be much, much cheaper.
So yeah, that's the advice. Just try to be physically and mentally present most of the time.